Today we got a company going to the festival. David, he's just working alone. This is the lockers. This is a medium locker, and this is the size of my backpack. You can fit it. There is plenty of space. Look at my hand. Here we go again, guys, for the second time entering the holy ground. Let me show you also the gadgets, just in case you want to get yourself some sunglasses and knowing about the prices. There we go. Sunglasses. You got hats. You got sun creams, wet wipes. You got almost everything that you need, but better bring them from your home as they will be a little bit expensive here. Also, you can charge your phone here for a price. So this time, guys, from the balloon we'll be turning to the left and going towards that side as I haven't explored it yesterday. The back, and then I will be going possibly to the Ferris Wheel of Tomorrowland, and then to the Rose Garden where the dragon is, and see those stages as I haven't seen them yet. Which one is the best?
I like this one, but everyone
What's the name of this one?
This is original one, Omega, it's Mexican one, and this is just pink and sweet.
Alright.
Alright, can I spin again?
That's why I haven't seen it yesterday. It's under this section of cage and the one world radio station over there. And let's go into the cave. Well, actually, at least try film something, because that's a really small area, and in this kit I'm definitely not going in, guys. So let's see. And behind it is the Rose Garden with the dragon. You can see it again, and we are heading towards you can go as much times as you want, but right now look at the crowd. There is a lot of people waiting to go there, and especially at night I think it will be really busy as the views will be magnificent. So we are back at this stage and let's see Skazi, guys.
Everybody jump on. Let me see you jump.
Thank you, Tomorrowland. I love you.
Please welcome Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike. Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
to the back, and then we're gonna go 8 steps to the motherfucking front.
Take me back to the memories. Straight tequila, drinking on an empty beach. Tell me was it all just a fantasy? When I woke up, you were laying next to me.
Put your fucking hands up! So I'd like to ask each and every one of y'all to put your lights up into the sky, from the front to the back, from the left to the right, for our Father.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. Don't know how lovely you are. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Oh, take me back to the start.
Thank you, Tomorrowland! We will always love you! See you next time!
I'm leaving from Marshmello. We must stay for the ending. I will try catch up and Charlotte right. And we see how that goes because it's a bit far. Guys, I left from that stage, it was really hot and I'm getting now to the fourth stage with the face as I may not have any other chance to see the stage at night. So guys, I'm back to my Airbnb. It's 2 o'clock. I'm about to sleep. The day 2 went absolutely amazing. Tomorrow it's our last day at Tomorrowland. See you tomorrow guys. Good night.